What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Glad y'all are tuning in. We are at Social Sundays, their big exotic car meet for the month, and I'm walking over there now just so we can kind of see what's going on. But don't y'all forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel, guys. I got something big coming up for the end of the year. So I know I've been saying I'm getting a new car, and I'm gonna change it up a little bit actually. So if y'all don't know me, pretty much, well, I'm not gonna go too much into it, but it's coming, end of the year, and y'all stay tuned. But anyway, let's go ahead and check this meet out and see what's going on. All right, guys, so the exotics are going to be over towards the front. We're towards the back here where the kind of street cars are. Nice C7 Z06 right here. I like that gray. S650, GT350, and then a nice Mustang GT500. You can see right there. That's clean. Got a nice orangish SS right here. Oh, there's Tracy right there. Spotted. Nice to this nice Z01 right here. And then you see the classic right over there. Nice one, nice one. I found her. I found Sandy. Right there. We got some more nice vets over here. I found Wesley too. His arrow is insane. Got some classic GTRs over here. Oh, nice Z06 C8. All right, the bikes have passed, so I can actually think now. But we have one that kind of looks like the one from Too Fast, Too Furious. Paul Walker's. Oh, that looks nice. Nice Shelby GT500. I found Mark. Looking nice, looking sick. I like this red GTR right here, and then we got a couple more of the newer ones, R35s. GT500 right there, another one next to a nice McLaren, as you can see right there. That's a nice RX-7 right there. That thing is clean.
He probably had a TV6 in there or something.
Get it in focus. Nice C8 next to it, and that GT5, or excuse me, GT500, that GTR. Wow. That V is chopping. Another GTR right here. I found our boy C8 Ranger and Keen right here. More vets right here, these two. Nice Viper right there. As you can see, there's just so many cars. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get them all, but I'm just slowly walking, try to make it. Got the nice ones, guys. Which one are you taking, guys? The Porsche or the Lambo? I'm taking a Porsche. Psych. You got a Carnage Charger theme going here. And then right next to it, that yellow highlighter C8 Z06 that passed by. Nice little Lotus GT. And I see some Beamers and such right here, M3s, M4. I spot Steve right over here. Oh, that's a nice Ford Lightning right there. F-150. And we know these guys right here, right there, and right there, looking nice. Oh, I see Cece. She's pulling in right over there in the back. Here's a little better shot right there. A couple more vets. Got a Demon. Good looking Demon right there next to this red Z06 C7. That's beautiful. There's just too many cars here, guys. That's a nice V right there. McLaren. And a GTR. That is nice. Man, there's just so many supercars here, guys. Audis, Ferraris, McLarens, Lambos. Got some nice Benzes right here. Classic Mustang. GT3 RS yellow. Good Lord, so many. That blue McLaren, man. He's packing, man. He's packing. He's got some heat in his hand. We got that. That's crazy. Some more McLarens over here. You can see the yellow.
That right there, that might be having a control track. Oh, he's right over there. So give him a second.
All right, guys. So I pretty much got all the ground footage I wanted to get. It's continuing to get hotter and hotter and hotter here in Texas, San Antonio to be exact. And I'm gonna go and put the drone up so we can just get some cool drone footage, and then we'll call it the video. So let's go and do that. Alright guys, hopefully y'all enjoyed the video with all the ground footage and the drone footage, but it is getting too hot here, so I got the footage. I'm ready to go home and chillax and be in the cool. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. Alright guys, this is Jared here. Till the next video, y'all take care. Peace.